This is Annamarie, one of your Westerville librarians. So excited to bring you a fantastic, realistic mystery book. This is From the Desk of Zoe Washington by Janae Marks, perfect for grades 4 and 5. Zoe Washington just wants to succeed at her baking internship, so she can audition for Kids Cooking Show, Kids Bake Challenge. But her priorities shift when she checks the mail on her 12th birthday and discovers a letter from her birth dad, someone she has never met because he's been in prison for murder. Zoe doesn't know what to think, but eventually she decides to write back, and she discovers a kind man who just wants to get to know her, and a man who says he's innocent. How is that possible? Aren't all people who go to prison guilty? And if he is innocent, what is Zoe going to do about it? Find out in From the Desk of Zoe Washington by Janae Marks as a physical book or ebook with your Westerville Library card.